guys, it's Cal coming at you from the rig. To my American friends, how was your Thanksgiving? I'm Canadian. We had our Thanksgiving back in October. So, did you find any deals for Black Friday? Did you do any shopping? Let me know in the comments below. So, how did your Black Friday go? And Saturday, and Sunday, and Cyber Monday? Did you get a chance to check out PAA's website? They had a bunch of deals on there, gift cards, one-ofs, limited editions, just a whole lot of good stuff. And did you get a chance to check out their advent calendar? This is my unboxing video. I'm late. This was supposed to be in last Wednesday. It only showed up today. So I am super excited about this. I know a couple of the other guys, or some of the other guys have already got theirs up, but this is awesome. A disclosure, this was sent to me for review purposes by Douglas, Fran, and Huxley. So, Leatherman multi-tool never leaves my heart, never go without it. I don't get a scale of this box. It's just freaking massive, and it's heavy. And that's what greets you. Packaging. Bubble wrap. More packaging. We'll put that aside for now. Now, PAA has been offering these for the last few years. I was not able to get one. Either they'd be sold out or it just wasn't in my budget for that particular year. So I'm super excited to be part of this. Now, from what I can figure, they've had the same packaging for the last few years. Now, there's a lot of work that goes into designing this thing. It's just super, super awesome. And again, get an idea of just how big and solid and heavy this thing is. Open it up. This is what you've got. 12 days worth of soap and aftershave samples. Now, from what I can figure, what they did in the last few years is there would be some ghosts of Christmas past, and some of Christmas present, and some of Christmas future. Some of these might be reissues. Some of these might be one-offs they're just doing for the advent calendar, and some of these might be coming up in future production. So, little card that came with it. Grab my readers, give it a quick read, see what it's all about. The shave gods frown down upon those who peek. Advent calendar directions. Beginning December 14th, start by opening door number 1 before your daily shave. That's it. Included in each daily Advent calendar present, you will not only find a ghost, a shaving present or future, but also a tiny description of the fragrance. Again, please resist all temptation to open all the panels on day 1. Trust me, it's worth it. Be a strong shave cadet. Very, very cool. So, obviously, starting December 14th, join me as I open these one by one. Depending on where I am taking the week of Christmas off from the truck. So the week of the 14th, I will be doing these from the road. Subsequent week, I will be doing these from home. So we'll be showing you guys lots of good stuff. I guess that included in these is it's either a half ounce or a full ounce of soap and a 1 ounce aftershave. So, like I said, I was going to do this video a few days ago in advance of Black Friday. Previous years, these things sold out super quickly, but this year, Fran and Douglas offered more, or had more of them available. Now, from what I can figure, they're already sold out. So I apologize. Like I said, The Postal Service just didn't get it to me in time to let you guys know about it. But if you were lucky enough to get one, put it in the comments below. And come back in a few days. Stick around. We're going to go through this together. This is going to be just epicness. And I am super, super excited to my first Advent calendar. So stay tuned, guys. We're coming at you with more of these in a few days' time. Take care.